Today we're going to be discussing what the risk factors for elopement are. My name is Barry Doyle. I'm a lawyer in Skokie practicing nursing home abuse and neglect work throughout the state of Illinois. I'm also the author of Built to Fail, a free report available for download from my website, which spells out how the nursing home business model inevitably produces unnecessary injuries and deaths for nursing home residents. There are two primary risk factors which place a resident at risk for elopement or wandering from the nursing home. The first of these is some degree of dementia or confusion where they have a mental drive to actually leave the nursing home. The secondly is the actual ability to do this, that they are ambulatory enough that they can actually make it out of the facility. And generally, this requires that this is a resident who is able to walk without restrictions, although there certainly have been instances where residents with motorized wheelchairs have wandered from a facility and gotten hurt. Besides these two primary risk factors, there are some other factors which really should alert a nursing home staff to a resident being really at risk for eloping. One of these would be a frequent expression of a desire to leave the facility. Once a resident starts talking about wanting to visit family, visit friends, visit parents who are now deceased, this is an expression of a drive to leave the facility. Another thing would be simply a expressed desire to go someplace else. I need to go to the store, I need to go to the doctor's office, I need to go to work. These are all things which are indications that the resident is looking for a reason to leave the facility. The last of these would be some degree of agitation or anxiety, which is expressing itself in a need to actually leave the nursing home. When these kinds of behaviors are present, this is something that should be a cue to a staff that the resident requires increased levels of supervision, and the resident is really at risk and actively working on leaving the facility. Hope this has been interesting. Thank you for watching. My name is Barry Doyle. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us. We can be reached by phone at 312-263-1080, or we can be reached on the internet at www.accidentlawillinois.com. Thank you very much for watching.